Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Atomic Wallet for installing wallets and exchanges, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Atomic Wallet, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Atomic Wallet download and press enter. Look for the official Atomic Wallet website in the search results. Click on the link to navigate directly to the website. Once on the home page, locate the download button. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the download button to see available options for different operating systems. Choose the version that corresponds to your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. If you are using a mobile device, locate the links for the Android or iOS versions. Click on your chosen operating system option to start the download process. For Windows, a setup file will automatically download to your device. For Mac, the file will download as a .dmg file. For Linux, follow specific instructions provided for installation. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file and double-click to run it. For Windows, follow the installation prompts in the Setup wizard. For Mac, drag the Atomic Wallet icon to the Applications folder. For Linux, open the terminal and follow the provided commands for installation. After installation, find the Atomic Wallet icon and double-click to open it. Upon launching, you will be guided through a setup process. You may create a new wallet or restore an existing wallet using your recovery phrase. Ensure you back up your recovery phrase securely for future access. Follow any additional prompts to complete the initial setup. Once set up, you can start using Atomic Wallet to manage your cryptocurrencies and make exchanges. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.